Matt O'Neill, and I'm the president of the Rotary Club of Akron.
Okay, and go ahead and spell your last name, the first and
PATO''NEILL.
Okay, and then why don't you tell us today about the kits that you're giving away?
Yeah, so I'm out here representing the Rotary of Akron and our club. We have members of our club here. We also have members of the community. And about 5 to 6 months ago, we created a diversity committee. So we've been looking for ways to get involved and promote diversity, not only in our club, but also in the community. So we're here today. We put together kits to serve salon and barbers in the greater Akron community. And inside the kits are face masks, rubber gloves, and other items, so that as they open back up and serve their customers, that they can do it in a safe manner.
Okay. Tell us about what's going on here today.
I'm a member of the Akron Rotary Club, and we were looking for ways to serve the community, reach out, diversify our club so that our club would be more representative of the community. And today's distribution of product has special meaning to me. My father was a barber here in Akron for over 50 years. So it was meaningful to me to be able to be here, help getting assistance from my fellow members of the Akron Rotary Club and the Akron Rotary Club Foundation in support of this project, to be able to help the people in the community getting back on their feet after this, during this pandemic.
All right. What's going on here today?
So today we had the opportunity and the pleasure of being approached by the Rotary Club of Akron, and they wanted to help out, and they figured out a way to help out the stylists of the Akron community. And so we have some kits that we have today that we're giving out to stylists, and it contains gloves, masks, and disinfectant, which are pretty much the basic keys that they need in order to stay open. And that's our way of keeping the community safe, so you guys can trust that your stylists are providing safe services and that the space that they're in is very hygienic.